Here's interesting app which is called Status Gateway to Ethereum. So let's just go through some quick overview of this app, how to use it. It's a Web3 app, meaning it's this backend of this app is based on blockchain, on Ethereum blockchain. And it's not only a crypto wallet where you can store and buy Ethereum, it's also Ethereum Web3 browser where you can browse different apps. And it is also a private messenger, which is also encrypted based on blockchain. And yeah, so it's kind of like a one super app where you can do some very main things in Web3, like where you can browse dApps, where you can have crypto wallet, and where you have secure messenger. So here's how it looks like. You can create your account just by logging in with seed phrase of your like MetaMask or any other like Ethereum wallet, or you can create a new seed phrase and then just still use traditional password on this app, and that's the way to create an account. There is no way you can sign in with your phone number or with Apple ID or Google or Facebook. So here's how the app looks like. First, it's just chat where you can invite friends. You can start new chat, you can start group chat, you can join public chat. Then you have all these different. Then the second tab is basically browser, where you have all the different DeFi apps, marketplaces, collectible games, social networks, utilities, crypto on-ramps, exchanges, and other. So yeah, join the dApp community chat, submit dApp support. So that's basically how it works. For example, you can go to Matcha, trade all DXCs at once. Or you can just browse different exchanges and all of that. Still in the bottom you need to connect your wallet. Okay, because I was thinking that you can already do that via Status app. And then then you have your own Ethereum account, which is automatically created when you start using the app. Then you can manage accounts, you can set currency, you can scan some other accounts to send money. So yeah, then also you have like a social media part where you can just send your update. Just send your updates. Probably they're just encrypted in blockchain. And yeah, so here you have it. There are some additional settings where you can set some permissions. You can enable to display collectibles, NFTs, probably accept new chats from anyone, reset password. And then in the bottom, if you're not happy, you can just delete my profile. Also, for additional security, you can enable Face ID or Touch ID. And then, to do that, you need to enter your password. So yeah, that's basically the overview. Interesting app, interesting concept. Let's see if it takes off. Okay, so now I'm not sure I can access it. And then for some time you need to enter your password and continue with the app. So yeah, that's the app. Hope it was a nice preview and you have an idea how to use it. Maybe right now is Web3 winter, crypto winter, but maybe when there is a new jump a new spike, you will be already in knowing like how to use these apps, and you will be more advanced and ahead of others.